This is my compact. These are all of my colors for all year round. I self-tan, so my colors tend to change. So I have all of my highlight colors, my contour color, bronzer. These all work together to create your foundation. And then I have all my lip and cheek colors, which double as your blush, your lipstick, and then eyeshadows down here. So everything for your full face in one compact, different sizes, different designs to choose from, whatever your preference is. So let's start with like my color corrector. Clearly I have some redness. I'm using one brush. This is the blush and bronzer brush. I'm using the smaller side, and I'm gonna tap into Mango. Mango is going to help cover my redness that I have, and it's just gonna even out my skin tone. I have some around my nose, my cheeks, and a little bit on my chin. Okay, so these are all creams. You don't need like a ton. So, and then I do have some darkness under my eyes, but I like to do my eyes last. Then I'm going to tap into my brighter shade. This is White Peach. Just around my jawline here. Just a little bit like in between my brows and the top of my forehead. So notice I'm only using one layer, okay? Just one layer. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my contour, and I'm gonna use this shade here. This is Olive. So these are all made with the same formula, so they blend beautifully together. They all work together to create your 3D foundation. So I'm trained in color matching, so I can help you pick out your colors that work best for you. So if you struggle with like acne, melasma, rosacea, if you have dark circles, hyperpigmentation, things that you like need help covering, I can help you pick out the colors that are gonna work best for you. My contour on my jawline. And then the fluffier side. So this is my bronzer, and this is Glow Illuminator. And I like mixing these together because it kind of gives my skin a little bit more of like a glowy look. And I just love it. I feel like my face looks like airbrushed whenever I use the Glow. I'm seriously obsessed. So it looks so dark, but it blends so sheer. And then I just kind of bring it down my neck and kind of do like a light dusting, like all over, like whatever's left over on my brush. Now we're gonna go with my under eyes. So this is Versailles, and I'm just going to just put a little bit of this in the areas that I want to brighten, and I like to actually blend with my finger. Okay, and then whatever's left over, because these are creams, they move. Look. So I'm just gonna like press it in with my finger. Okay. And then I'm gonna take that same brush that I used for everything else, my color corrector, and I'm just pressing this in. Now we're gonna go in with some blush. I'm gonna use Madrid. So these are creams, so you only need a little bit. And when you do blush, just use like a little bit, because you can always go in and add more, because some are more pigmented than others. And it's easier to add more than to take away. Look at that. A little bit here. And then you can use the same color for my lips. And then this is my lip conditioner, my gloss. And your full face is done.